Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Just Here and There. This is Ronald. This video is about the pumpkin festival in the garden show Bad Lippspringe. This year pumpkin festival theme was music and was held from 8th September till 29th October, and the price for one adult was 9.5 euros. If you miss this music theme this year, then don't miss next year. You might get a different and interesting theme. This pumpkin festival focused on 13 sculptures on the subject of music, which are composed of around 40,000 pumpkins. In addition to grand guitar, piano, gramophone, earphones, we could also see famous musical personalities such as Beethoven and Elvis. Creative decorations with pumpkins, straws, garlands and other autumn elements which extend over a large part of this garden show provide the perfect ambience. From my point of view, this was really an impressive exhibition with over 200 pumpkin varieties from all over the world was found here. There was a huge pumpkin weighing around 608 kilo was waiting for us to come and look at it. Totally, it was perfect. One could easily spend half a day walking around and looking at the pumpkins. I hope you'll also like it, so stay tuned and please watch this video till the end.